Alrighty guys, so we're gonna do some quick DIY here. I have my tire. It got a big, not even a nail, but like a big steel that my wife picked up on the road, and it went in the tire somewhere there. I took it out. I have my tire repair kit and I fixed it. But the funny thing is, that piece of metal was bigger than my tire repair kit, right? Usually the tire repair kit, they are good for things like nails or screw or something. Then the hole is smaller, but that hole was too big. So I'm keep getting a slow leak every 2 days, right? That's how slow it is. So in order to fix that, if you don't want to take it to a professional to kind of seal it from the inside, then I came across this product right here. They call it Slam. You can get it on Amazon. I'm pretty sure Walmart or AutoZone. I'm not sure. But it's good for any type of tire use. Just remove the nail and dump this thing in your tire and start it driving. Basically, it's going to find the leaks and just seal that. There will be no more leaks from the inside. All right, so before you begin, you want your tire valve to be like positioned not in the middle, but a little bit tilting to the side. All right, so the product itself comes with the tool built in it. You guys can see. You remove this, and inside there, you guys can see that is to use that to remove that valve thing. So make sure you remove enough of air, so the tire needs to be completely empty, right? That will allow the product to go inside pretty good. So you just squeeze it on it like that, and as you can hear, the air is coming out. Do not release it until the air is fully out, otherwise that thing could jump in your face, right? There we go. Before you do so, you first want to deflate your tire first, you know, to prevent any type of injury like the thing jumping on your face, right? At this point, I think the tire is not that bad at all. So, like I said, it's kind of built in tool that allows you to remove the valve stand, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, there's a valve stand right there, as you guys can see. After that, what we do is we just pull this out and remove the cap. It's gonna have a seal on it, just like that. Remove that seal, right? And then put this cap back on. And all you have to do, plug this tube. It's all provided. The tube is always like sitting right here, right? Plug this tube right there and connect that to your tire, guys. All right, so we're gonna connect it in, and I don't think it's really necessary to shake. This size is a 16-ounce bottle, by the way, so that's good for one tire. So we're gonna use the full product in this thing right here. Plug this thing on top of the thing and just lift it up just a little bit and squeeze it in. You guys can see this running in there. All right, so we're gonna squeeze it in and just dump all of this stuff inside the tire, guys. So that's the thing that's gonna seal the tire. So what happened is that slow leaks. When you done doing this, when you're done squeezing the product inside the tire, you're gonna put your valve stem. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. You're gonna put your valve stem back on and go ahead and refill it with air and drive your car, guys. Drive your car, and while you're driving the car, the air gonna try to escape, and when the air is escaping, that's where the product gonna follow the air to seal the hole. And that's it. That's the way it works. So you have to drive the car for the product to kind of like spread all in the car, in the tire, and find the slow leaks and seal it for you. Try to use every piece of this in order to give me a better result according to the engineer. One of the reasons you have to get all the air out is that when you still have enough air in it, what will happen, the air will make its way out here and it will make the product hard to go in. Then you have to squeeze it a lot like I'm doing right now. So that's the reason. Okay, that sounds pretty good. Alrighty, so there we go. So now we're gonna pull this out. When we pulled it out, what we're gonna do next is put the valve stem right back in, guys. So you really don't have to do any type of cleaning. Just go ahead and put that thing in like that. There's no way you can clean inside that thing. So you tighten it, your valve stem is back on. Then you pull this thing out. That's it, guys. So the next thing we're gonna do now is fill it up with air. And after that, we're gonna go take the car for a test drive. And while you're driving the car, the product, like I said earlier, is gonna be spraying it around and find that slow leak and seal that. Alrighty, plug some air here. Yep. As you guys can see, it's completely empty. That green light's gonna go all the way to the full position. That tells you that it's full. That's it. So with this machine, I use it right on my power. I don't have to keep the vehicle running. So you definitely want to have something like that in your garage so you don't have to keep the vehicle running. Because when you keep the vehicle running in the garage, it creates a carbon monoxide. So because of that, I have this specific machine to put air in my tire without keeping my vehicle running, basically. All right, as you guys can see, it's on the full green. That tells you that it's full. For some reason, my digital screen is messed up, but it allows me to do the PSI change. This Toyota, it takes 36 all around. My Honda Accord is the one that takes 32 in the front and I think 33 in the back or something. But I do have a separate one that in the trunk of the Honda Accord for the Honda Accord. So this unit is really good. You can use it in the vehicle or you can use it in the garage without having the vehicle turns on. You can also use that to inflate your air mattress and little things like that. So now this is all good. I'm going to disconnect that bad boy and I have the correct PSI. You guys see that? So what you want to do is you want to immediately go for a test drive to allow the product to find leaks and seal that. You don't want to just let the vehicle sit and thinking that the product gonna make it way. No, if you let the vehicle sit in the same location, what will happen, the product will make it way and sit right down here, and that's it. And you don't want the product to dry in one location. So you want to go for the test drive, and then while the wheel is moving, then the product gonna spread and also follow any slow leaks and just seal there. That's pretty much how you use a slam tire, emergency tire repair. And I guess I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.